Hey, Dr. Yates here. Just a quick note showing you how easy it can be if you need to reschedule or cancel your appointment. When you book your appointment, you should get an email confirmation that looks something like this. Sometimes it will go to your junk mail, so you want to check that. And on that email, there's a spot that can go directly to your accounts page so that you have control over your appointments. You click that link. Now, mine will look a little bit different because of the staff profile up here, but this will take you and show you your appointments. And it looks like here I have an appointment for myself booked with a Dr. Yates. I heard he's a pretty cool guy, but I want to reschedule that appointment. When you want to reschedule a particular appointment, you go to that date, click on the arrow here. If it's within 24 hours of the appointment, you are able to reschedule. If it's not, you would have to contact us. So you can hit reschedule and select a different time, or if you need to cancel the appointment, you can select below to do that. So click to reschedule, select a different time, or cancel the appointment. And if you need to contact us, if you're having any difficulty, just reach out anytime.